Good afternoon, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick review of the indexes, Mag 7, and what I'm holding right now, how I adjusted my positions throughout the day. So without further ado, please like, subscribe, comment, always greatly appreciated. And let's get into it. And by the way, I do have a free Discord in the comment section if you guys would like to join. Just give that a view, but let's get into it. So we're going to be starting with the Mag 7 first on Apple. Apple, it's a little iffy. I'm still watching to get into Apple, but I believe that we have more room to the downside, specifically to 170 is where I'm watching on Apple's. But overall today it held up nicely. Microsoft, I have a current position in them. Overall, not bad. Sellers showed some control today. I'm not I'm very bullish on Microsoft still. I think that if we can close above 390, we still have a little bit more time before market closes. If we get above 390, stay above there, that would be very good. As long as we stay above 388, that you should remain bullish on Microsoft, in my opinion. Nvidia is not doing half bad. A little bit of selling going into the close, but overall not bad. We got a nice bullish continuation candle, so no complaints there. I would watch 568 tomorrow, and I would also watch 450 and 550. I'd watch 550 on Nvidia. On Meta, overall did do half bad. Looks like it's consolidating to a range. I would get bearish on Meta if we get below 363, bullish on them if we get above 377.24. I think that we're going to make a move to all-time highs on Meta. Personally, just my take on it. Tesla is not doing half bad either. Buyers are still they're starting to come in. Not a high amount of volume as I would like to see on a typical reversal. So we could get a push back up to 226 rejection and push back down to 194. I'll be looking to get into Tesla if it hits 194. That's personally my buy point. 194 to 200 is where I'm looking to get Tesla at. Google sellers did show some dominance today. Still holding above 140, 142, so that's the critical level. And consider that today was a sell side candle. We got lower volume. It means that overall, I think bulls have a higher probability of more upside than the Bears have of more downside. Personally, just my opinion. So tomorrow, what I would watch is if we get below 140, 142, make it close below that tomorrow. Then you can get bearish on Google. But if we maintain above 140, 142, I'd remain bullish. SPX didn't do half bad today, considering that we were all the way down to 47.50. Yeah, we went down to 47.50 today. So bulls are showing that they're stepping up. Still, it's a coin flip at this point. We're in the consolidating range between 4,700 and 4,800. So until you get above 4,800, I wouldn't get bullish on SPX. And I would use SPX and the NASDAQ to guide your overall trades. So if we break down 4,700, I will be taking some exposure off personally. So just something to keep in mind when you're setting up your trades. And then on the NASDAQ, what I would watch is same levels as usual. The only concerning part is we rejected 15,000. So I would maybe look for a move down tomorrow on the NASDAQ. And we might get some, I think we're going to get some volatility in the next couple of days because I know Middle Eastern tensions are starting to heat up again. So I would just keep that in mind for this week at least, that things might be a little volatile. So I wouldn't go too crazy with going on a risk-on approach. Personally, the positions I'm holding right now is NVS. Overall, not bad. Still showing some weakness, but I have a very small position in them. NVIDIA is so far doing pretty good as well. ANET, still doing good. A little weak, but still doing decent. Still making a higher high. But still, it's not that explosive price action that I would like to see, but I'm giving it a little bit more time being patient with it. CRM, I ended up trimming my position by 50%. So CRM is not giving the price action that I was looking for. Now, what could happen is we could get a retest of the breakout of 266.27, then a push up, in which case then I'll add back to my position. Possibly. I have to see what price action gives me. Microsoft, as you guys know, I just went over that in that. Boeing is starting to get into an interesting zone. If you go onto the monthly, you can see here that last time that we went to the zone, we pumped right back up like 41%. So I'm looking at Boeing right now. I think it's oversold. I'll be looking for a double bottom somewhere over here at the 190, 180 range. But I have to let the price action, I have to let the volume confirm the trade before I get in. So that's what I'm watching for tomorrow. And those